Hello guys, welcome to Double Tech. Today we'll be learning about how to design a CV and also get a downloadable format for it. Okay, so without talking much, let's just dive into the video. Alright, so the first website that we'll be going is Flow CV. Okay, so when you click on Flow CV, alright, you click on try for free. Okay, so after clicking on try for free, we have templates which are here, which will guide you. I don't know, is my network okay? It's here. So the templates will guide your design. Okay, so we need a template. So you can choose from these templates, any of them, and work with it. So let's just move on. The next thing is to click on this side, resume, and just select one of the templates. I just want to find a suitable template and just select. Okay, so I'm selecting this one. Okay, so when I select this, I have the details which I can actually look at and see what I want to change. Then the next step is to click on use this template. Alright, so after clicking on that, we have a box where we can input our name step by step and the information step by step. The app itself will guide you to input your details. Okay, so now the problem we have with writing CV is we don't actually know what to write and what to put in where. So this is actually going to give you the structural way of how you have to structure your CV, and we'll be using ChatGPT to get a simple sample of how CVs look like. Okay, so without talking much, let's just go to that site, and this is my ChatGPT, and this is what you write. So you tell it to write a sample of, I don't know which profession, any profession that you are in. So let's assume a UX, like UI designer. Sorry. Um, um, Stroke CV. Yeah. Then you just click on send. Now ChatGPT will generate the formatting which you have to input your details. Okay, with some dummy details. All right. So this is what it brings up. So your name, the profession is UX UI designer. Your contact information, you put it there and everything. So it has given a little brief about the objective. This one mostly goes to the profile section. Yeah, so let's just dive into that. Okay, so the name and for this we'll be using this side. Okay, so let me head back into this place. My name, let me use John Doe, and let's move on to the next one. So the next one is the address. Sorry, the job title. So the job title is UX UI designer, which I just copied and pasted there. And we have an email. So the email section, I'll just drop in a dummy email, which is here. So for some security reasons, I'll just have to cover some parts. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So these are some of the information I've been inputting. So whilst you're inputting your information, it is reflecting on this side. All right. So till you input everything that you want to do. Okay, nationality, if you want to add marital status, gender, or anything. So those things that you want to be adding, you can just click and add them. Okay, sure. So let's move on. When you are done with this session, you just click on save and to move to the next session. So the next session is to add content, which is your profile content. All right. So this side, this is what we are coming to put. You are going to drag the one from ChatGPT, which is this side, and we move back there. Please read through before you just copy and paste. Okay, you come here and paste it. So it will align it here directly for you. Hope you can see that. Okay, so sorry, let me just go back there, save, and then yeah. So the next thing, add more. Do you want to add your education? So we are going to add some stuffs, but we are going to use ChatGPT also to guide us in adding those stuff. So you go to ChatGPT and you look for what's next. It says education, so that means your educational field, and this is the formatting which you have to put it in. So let's go back, head into the app, and go and click on educational field, and it has done almost the same thing for us. So the degree, these are optional stuffs, so you just input your details, simple, then a little description if you want to. Okay, all right. So I think when you are done with filling on all your details and everything, you just click on download. Okay, here too you can just input a dummy email, like mm, if you don't want to input your own email, you can just input a dummy email and you are good to go. And the password also, it can be any password, because it's more of like a one-time use. So if you are using it, please use it well, so that when you want to use it again, it won't be like you paying for a premium version. All right, so when you're done, create account, and it will tell you it's downloading, and that's it. It's over here. Okay, right. So what you need to do is to just look at your CV and go and print. You can keep it if you want to. So this is a PDF format which you can print. You can issue a printout or anything if you want to. Okay, so I thank you guys for watching and hope you've learned something from this video. So please kindly like and subscribe. Also comment down below if you don't understand anything. All right, so I'll see you guys in another video. Stay blessed.